We'll guide you through how to make a timeline in Notion. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To start the process, open your browser so you can reach the site you need. When the browser is ready, go to the search bar and type Notion, then run the search so the results appear. From the list shown, click the top web link that looks right so you can enter the main site without trouble. After the page loads, log in with your account or sign in if you do not have one yet, so you can access your workspace. Once you are inside your workspace, look at the private section on the left side and click the plus button to create a new page. When the new page opens, scroll down a bit and click the three dots on the right side to open more options. From the menu that appears, select Timeline because this will let you build a layout that shows tasks or plans over a period. After choosing it, select New Empty Data Source so the timeline starts clean and ready for you to set up. Now click the title area and add a name that fits what you want to track. When the timeline is ready, double-click the first card so you can edit it based on your need. If you want to add more cards, click the plus button below and repeat the same steps so the timeline fills up with the items you want to manage. If you want to add a timeline bar, left-click directly on the timeline area so a new one appears. Keep adding as many timeline bars as you like until the layout matches your plan. When you want to change a timeline bar, double-click it so you can set the date range to the length you need. If you want to move a timeline bar, click it and drag it to the position that feels right. When two timeline bars have a relation, you can pull a line between them by dragging from the small dot at the edge of one bar to the matching dot on the other bar. This lets you show a clear link between both items. After that, move your timeline bars again if needed so the layout stays neat. Keep connecting timelines whenever you need to show a clear link between tasks or stages. This approach helps you build a smooth layout that shows each step over time while keeping everything flexible and easy to adjust.